Hello there guys, it's JK at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Kawasaki Versys 1000 S GT. So here it is, so 2024 on a 24 plate, 4,497 miles. And as you see, absolute gorgeous bike. Uses that lovely 1000cc engine that obviously the Kawasaki is known for. It is the S, so with that, you get them cornering lights, you get that upgraded digital display as well. You get the quickshifter and the factory fitted heated grips. GT as well, so it is the Grand Tourer spec. 3-box luggage, spotlights, and you'll also get a power socket with it. It's finished in this lovely metallic black and Kawasaki green colour scheme, colour-coded panniers as well. Got all your standard spec on there as well. You've got your cruise control, you've got your riding modes, you've got that big touring screen, the hand guards as well, and it's also had the frame protection fitted as well. But lovely bike, will do absolutely everything you need it to do. If you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.